just got back from towing our latest project back to base, so tomorrow morning I will show you our latest edition. Hello beautiful people. Well, this week we have been doing a lot of work on the trailer. It's changed colour and it's looking good. Also, we have had some customers' vans turn up and been doing some jobs on those. So first of all, let's give you a trailer update. Quick progress update on the trailer. So we got all the back is done, the door is made, hung and fitted, the locks are all in, and I've covered it in a lovely shade of sage green wood preservative. That's just to protect the timber before the NATO green goes on. As you can see, I've done a stable door because that can be quite handy. And we're taking a break from the trailer today because I've got a long-time YouTube subscriber coming down today to have a floor lined, insulated and fitted in his van. So the trailer project will resume tomorrow. Well, I'm not going to lie, stripping the paint off this trailer is taking me forever. I've spent 2 solid days, 1 day per side so far. I've had to scrape and sand off the orange paint and it's been a bit of a nightmare, but it's the only way to get a perfect surface for respraying, and I want the trailer to look really good at the end of it, so it's worth putting the time in now. Let me have a quick tour of the progress so far. So as you can see there, the orange is all gone. On this side I've half done the sanding, and on this side I've got down to the next layer of paint. I think they're probably about 3 layers of paint altogether. The other side, however, I've pretty much done. Take a look. As you can see, we have a nice white side. So I reckon another few hours sanding and preparing, and then it'll probably snow because that's what's forecast. But my plan is then I can spray the trailer, but if it snows that might put a bit of a spanner in the works, but fingers crossed. 2.5 days later, the paint is all off and it's time to spray. I've done all my sanding, I've done all my cleaning up, I've done all my filling, and it's ready. So now you see a white and orange trailer, and very soon you will be seeing a NATO green trailer. Let's get that spraying done. Come here. Best friends don't bite me. Ugh. You. Today is MOT day on the Defender. And my friend here is getting excited because it means he can go for runs on the common. Ow. Yes. So we better go and take it. So my friend here can go on the common with his new frisbee that came through Amazon off the wish list that he is rather taken by, aren't you? And he's biting me. Look, see this? This is abuse. It's abuse. Look, this is look. You're vicious, aren't you? I've got some bad news for you. You're not going to Camp Quirky. You can't go to Camp Quirky because they've got no more space for dogs and you're a dog. Sorry. Also, you'll bite everybody that walks in the van, won't you? Yes. Right, pour. Now my friend in here has just received a present from the Amazon wish list. I think he's going to like this. Here he is. Right then, friend, what is this? I'll go take the packaging so you've got more of a clue. Unpackaging something with one hand, it takes some skill, and I haven't got that skill. Dum 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 dum. What's this? Come on then. I think it's safe to say he is rather pleased with this. Thank you so much to the person who bought this for him. You know who you are. So there's the trailer. It's coming along nicely, but there's still a long way to go on it, but it's looking good. A couple of customers' vans turned up. A long wheelbase Sprinter, of which I insulated the floor and fitted a nice chipboard floor in it for him. And also an Iveco, long wheelbase Iveco, which I fitted a 275 watt solar panel on, and it's a beast of a panel. Here we are with Graham's van, his long wheelbase Sprinter, and we've just laid the floor. So we've used 50mm Kingspan insulation and 18mm chipboard. Yeah. 18mm chipboard as the floor. Cut it all around the wheel arches, all fitted in, looking good. Are you happy, Graham?
Yep. Good.
Graham's happy, I'm happy. Let me show you the floor. There we go. Nice neat floor for Graham to start converting this into a pretty awesome van. I can't believe how big these vans actually are when there's nothing in them. Okay, time for a quick update on the trailer. As you can see, it is NATO green. Wheel arches I've done in military grey, and on the back here we have LED lights. Strangely, LED lights were cheaper to buy than the old school filament lights, which is what I was going to go for because I thought they were cheaper, but nope, LED is the way forward, it seems. So my next stage is to start working on the inside after I've put the rest of the lights on the outside. Whew, let's all go. So there we have it. And finally, last but not least, a new addition to the crew. Another van. It's been a long evening. We have just got back from towing our latest project back to base, so tomorrow morning I will show you our latest edition. Until then, good night. Now come on, you should know by now it's been too long since another van joined us. Here I have the latest edition, which is a 1988 Renault Traffic Mark 1, 2-litre petrol. This van was my father's and he's now handed it over to me because the clutch is gone and needs some bits and pieces doing, but actually it looks to me like a really good van. Let me show you inside. So first up, this has only got 102,000 miles on the clock. The interior is really good. The exterior is actually pretty good. Some surface rust and no clutch. But all in all, this van has got a lot of potential. Come and have a look at the back. So there we go. It's a nice sized van. It's the high top as well, which means I can stand up in here, which is lovely. We have a sink, a pretty much unused hob, an oven that looks like it's not been used. It's got a 3-way fridge down there. Nice comfy sofa, which I think pulls out into a bed. And it also has a wardrobe. Little portaloo that's brand new, never been used, there in the corner. Little bunk over the cab. Outward opening side door, as the classics did have. And there's the nice modern dash, but it's all in really good condition. So my plans for this van, I don't know actually. I'm going to put the clutch in it and do a few little bits and pieces that need doing, like the door locks are a little bit iffy, sort those out. And tidy it up, and then I think it'd probably be up for sale. But we'll see. I quite like this van actually. I'm tempted. Don't get me started. So there we go. Massive thank you to the very kind person who bought Ted's Frisbee off the Amazon wishlist. He absolutely loves it. To the point where he's driving me mad with it. And thank you so much to my Patreons as well, because you guys are keeping all this rolling. Until next time, see you soon. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like more information on how you can help support us and keep our videos coming, then please do check out our Patreon page. There's also a lot more information and our blog on BeyondTheVan.com. See you soon.